gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we have a fantastic review for you today. I'm Adam from 911 Reviews. We have what I would call an emergency review. This one is hot. It's hot to trot. So you have no idea what this is it? And there's a reason I'm wearing a hat, because I think it looks better with a hat. But this is a light that you can use when you're out on your bike, if you're maybe running a mining tunnel, or just you're out on a trail, you're jogging around, you're at night, you want people to see you, you want to be safe. This is the light for you. All right, you ready? I'm gonna turn this on. And honestly, I took this out of the box, took it out of its case, set it up, and said, hey honey, look, is this thing on straight? And blinded her, and she was so mad. This is really bright. Like, I feel like even in a fully lit room with spotlight on me, with lamps on, with the outdoor light, which is not super bright right now, in front of me, this thing is bright as can be. So it's got several settings, right? First, a little less, strobe, off. I'll show you here. I'll see if I can get this up to you, right? Hope you're not blinded from that, hopefully with this. So turn on and off there, focus wheel up front, and then it's got the batteries in the rear. Just stick them in the rear. It's a fun little product, and it's super safe if you're a night cyclist. In fact, I'm gonna wing it here. I'm gonna turn this on me so you can see how bright this thing can be. Like, that's pretty bright, right? So anyway, folks, a great product here. I definitely blinded the wife by having her look directly at it before I turned it on. It's got a strobe light feature, which I'm sure can be used for all sorts of safety purposes and location purposes. The one thing I will note to you, easy to wear. I didn't have to do much adjustment. The batteries in the back. Oh, and I left the charging cable on it. Look at that. Just charged with the USB. Is the batteries, when you get it, I took an hour. I thought, oh, maybe it needs to be charged or something. It has these big batteries that it comes with, but the big batteries are in plastic. Take them out of the plastic or else it won't work. You probably get a lot of returns because people don't realize that. Also, the light can focus up and down, that sort of thing. It's got a lot of steel in it, a lot of metal, and if it does have some plastic, it's pretty sturdy plastic. So it's going to last. I'll put a link in the description below. Make sure to click subscribe. If you have any questions about the product, go ahead and ask them. I won't turn it on, and you got the idea, right? Like, it's super bright. I'm Adam from 911 Reviews. If you're gonna go out biking, you want something that's safe, it's actually pretty easy to wear, goes on smoothly, adjustable straps, all that sort of thing. Kind of fun. Probably want to wear it on top of your hat, not underneath like me. I'm Adam from 911 Reviews. Click like, subscribe. We have new videos like all the time. Adios, amigos.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.